Operating heavy mobile machinery like forklifts is inherently risky. Doing so while transporting a heavy load and navigating complex facilities where other forklifts and pedestrian workers are present creates even greater risk of accidents. On average, 95 people are seriously injured or killed in a forklift accident every day. Accidents involving forklifts can be prevented by providing 360-degree situational awareness to the forklift operators as well as pedestrian workers, by providing latest technology UWB tags for employees and mounting matching tags on forklifts. Our collision avoidance solution achieves sub-meter accuracy in detecting risk of collisions and eliminating human error. Our proximity warning technology warns the operator with a visual and an audible alert when the forklift comes close to another forklift or pedestrian. With automatic speed control, forklifts are enabled to autonomously slow down or stop without operator intervention. Become our client today and start your digital transformation journey with the leading location-based EOT solution provider Boni Global. Visit boniglobal.com for more information